How's it going, guys? Gonna press up to continue. Okay. Press that now. Whoa! What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh! What? What does that do? Man, that's stressful. Okay. Oh no! It's too hard, more like it. Whoa, whoa. Haha! Oh my god, no. Is there any way to beat that bitch? Is there? Tell me. Oh shoot. No. No, no, I can't move that. No, you didn't see anything. Okay, let's do this. Man, this game's fucking hard. Yeah, bro, I win. Let's do the dance. Okay. So I think. Oh my god. Oh! What? Oh! Could do that again. Unacceptable. No, 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 no! Oh! Hitting me. Yes! Oh! I was sort of won once. Come on, let's do this again, bros. Guys and gazettes and pies. We're gonna do this again. Oh! 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 Oh, what? But, oh, no, no, no. Okay, I got the general idea. Okay. Come on, bro. Oh! Qualified to choke on a grape. Oh! Shit! Shit! Nope. Oh! Wait, okay. So, it's all... This is what I do. Jump on him. Oh no. So, I slip with that. Man, I hate this. I hate my life. Oh no, 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 no. Oh yeah. Whoa! Oh no. Oh. Really? Really? Oh my god. Oh no, no, no. God. I gotta finish this. Oh my god, no, no, no. No, 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 that's not acceptable. That is not acceptable. Oh, it's 25, I guess I'll go with the God, I don't know why people play this game. God damn it. What? What? Okay, so A, W, yeah. Oh, this is make some dance? No. It's more stressful than Slender. Thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. I can't do it anymore. God damn it. Okay, bye guys.